Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this palette right here. Now this is not a new palette, but it is new to me. I've never purchased anything from NATASHA Denona before, so this will be a new experience for me. My first impression palette reviews basically consist of me putting all the shadows on my eyeballs to get a feel for the formula and to really see how I feel about the color story in the palette, and that's pretty much all it's for. So yeah, let's get started. Let's see what I can do with this palette. Now, there are, let's see, 15, 16? Am I counting that right? Well, anyways, those are the shades. I'm going to swatch these real quick, and I am going to be right back. Okay, so those are the shades swatched. There is a total of 15. Now, I think the most I've ever been able to get on my eyeballs is 12. But I don't know that I'm going to attempt to get all 15 on here. I'm not gonna lie, when I bought this, I got it because this row of colors called me. And if you look at them, you could wear each row by itself like that and have a really beautiful look. But I'm also kind of looking at it going, these two rows have a lot of similar shades, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna do. But I'm going to go ahead and get into it. The first color I'm going to go into is this pastel one right here. It's a pastel melon. I think I'm going to go in with this nudist color right here, and then probably peach puff right here, the one right under it. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Sangria, which is this color right here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with this Gusty one right here. Give it a little sparkle. Okay, so that really did not do as much as I was thinking it would, but anyways, we're going to move on. We're going to go in with this blue color here, Laguna. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Tiger Lily right here. So next we're going to go into Mint Frost. Okay, so now we're going to go under the eye with Xena. Okay, so now we're going to go in this Lime-O-Sickle color right here. Alright, so now we're going to go in with this color right here, Exotic. does it with the eyeshadow. Let's move on to eyeliner. Okay, so for bottom eyeliner, I am using Marc Jacobs. This is color Grapevine. Okay, so for top liner, I am using Josephine, and again, the label I wore off, but that's what we're using. Alright, so I'm going to use Marc Jacobs for the mascara. Okay, so normally I don't wear lashes, but today I'm going to because with eyeshadow that bold, they're gonna get lost. So I'm gonna use these ones right here. They're very simple, very natural. I don't like to use heavy things if I plan on wearing it all day. Are the lashes, and we're going to do lips now. Lips, I am using Bella Argent 3 Plays. I'm going to top that off with a little gloss, and the gloss is Beauty Bakery Holy Cannoli. Okay, there is my finished look. What do you guys think? Okay, final thoughts on this. It has 15 colors, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors out of 15. So I think I did pretty good with my 11 out of 15 colors. And you know, I was feeling funny about these neutrals here in the palette, but they are different enough that they actually they're different enough you can create different looks even if you just stick with like that row right here. So I was really impressed by that. I think this is a really great palette, a really great summer palette, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and otherwise I hope to see you in my next video.